everyone. So my installers are putting up a bus stop today at Metro South, Redlands Hospital. And this is the section that's going to go all the way down and along and bring the outside garden in and give our residents with dementia a place to go to wait for the bus. So that's all going up. And then out here, we've just installed a door disguise for the glass doors, which is to both warm the space, bring in some nice meaningful colour, and to keep people away from the doors, because normally they will not approach to pat glass. Definitely not. You might get bitten. So we want them to stay away from the doors, but appreciate the space, have a view out, reminisce, being at Redlands here, Redlands Bay, turn around and walk off. And already we're talking about turning this door up here at Redlands Hospital into one of our fish tanks. So that will bring more of what's called Eden philosophy into the space, more connection to nature, more meaningful colour, and disguise the exit door out. Any questions? Give me a bell. Bye.